My name is Mike. I'm 65 years old, retired teacher from Wyoming. I've settled here in Helena and began coming to see Dr. DeMey after bringing my grandson here to be treated for some problems with his upper back. I began to think, as I listened to Doc talk about my grandson, that my own back was not in the best of shape. It was prohibiting me from enjoying what I love to do, which is work out in my garden and just be outside, enjoy the outdoors. Back would hurt after 60 to 90 minutes of work. I really was unable to do the kinds of things I wanted to do. I planted an orchard. I need to tend to that. I have large gardens. We have chickens, and it's just the stiffness in the back, the pain in various places in my back. Dr. DeMey was able to do a real thorough examination and diagnose some problems, and we began treatment. And it was intense for about 5 months. In that I would see him a couple times a week, and then it's backed off to basically once a week since then. It has made a world of difference for me. I feel so much better. My back just doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. I'm able to work outside for hours if I so choose, and I can enjoy my garden, enjoy times with my kids, grandkids. Dr. DeMey has not only treated my back and problems there, but he treated my shoulder. I threw it out somehow, and came in. It happened to be that I was going to see him the next day anyway, and the morning I woke up, I could not raise my arm above my shoulder at all, and it hurt. It just absolutely ached. I explained to him what I thought I might have done, and he went immediately and said, "I'll bet it hurts right here." Pointed exactly, pressed on that spot, and woke me up. But the fact is, he's got enough experience. He knew exactly where to look, and more importantly, what to do. He treated me that day, and I noticed a great improvement in just my shoulder flexibility. It didn't all go away at once, but over the course of about 5 or 6 weeks, I gained complete use of my shoulder again. It doesn't hurt. Every once in a while, he does an adjustment on it. I'm very pleased. And then to top that off, I limped in here one day after doing something on a treadmill, and told him that I had had the knee scoped about 12, 13 years ago, took out a piece of cartilage, and the knee just suddenly locked up. And Doc did just a couple of very quick manipulations, probably didn't take more than about 45 seconds. And when he did them, it hurt. And when I got off that table, it was fine. It didn't hurt a lick. And it has not given me a bit of trouble. That was about 1.5 years ago. I highly recommend Dr. DeMey. I think his expertise is absolutely top shelf. He's a great person to work with, and he has done a tremendous job helping me enjoy my life.